Hello all, welcome to my channel. Please watch my other videos also in which I've talked about other types of or techniques of therapies involved in psychotherapy. So in today's video we will be discussing about humanistic therapies. So this is a type of psychotherapy that helps the person to know more about them, what they actually are, how are they unique from others. So all this will help the person to build a positive mindset about themselves, which is very much important to lead a healthy life. Only if the person is internally motivated, he could achieve a lot of things in his life. So when a person is afraid of what people might judge about them or about their behaviors in some situations, or if that person is more disturbed about what others tell on them, so all these would be pushing the person into the trap of demotivation. The feeling of not enough is felt by the client. So according to this therapy, how you view yourself and the world impacts a lot on your feelings and actions. So if you feel everything in a positive or a optimistic manner, then your life would be really better. If it is the opposite, it's definitely going to cause negative impacts on your thoughts, your behavior, and all other aspects of your life. This therapy includes a number of approaches, and we shall discuss the most important ones today. The first one is Gestalt therapy, in which the therapist will not be interested to know about the past experience of the client. Instead, they'll rely more on the present situation of it. I mean, the client is made to feel their problem in the present by exposing them to the same stimuli that is causing the problem. Say for an example, the client has had in conflict with her partner. So here the therapist will not be asking about her past experiences with her partner. Instead, they would ask the client to imagine that her partner is sitting in front of her and then talk to him like normally she does. So what happens here is the person starts exaggerating that her partner is in front of her and start talking about what has happened with them in their relationship or something like that. And this was a gist about Gestalt therapy. And now let's see the second technique, that is client centered therapy, in which the therapist will let the client to explore and discover their problems by their own and will give them the solutions based on their problems. So this will help the person understand what is his mistakes or what is the other person's mistake who are involved in this person's life. All this will be led to the client to understand and figure out what their problems were. Hence the therapy's got the name as client-centered therapy, because it's the client who is playing the major role in identifying or analyzing his own problems. So he is led to figure out his problem, and at the same time the therapist will also be providing him the support and the solutions that is required. And next one is, now let's see the advantages and disadvantages of this therapy. The first advantage would be that as this therapy relies more on the ability of the client to put out their problems and thoughts by their own, might not work as same on the people with bad communication skills or poor communication skills. As this therapy is more subjective, it's been proved that there is no scientific approach to this therapy, and also it lacks empirical evidences is what researchers say. And the advantages are it is left to the client to explain whatever they feel, and any thoughts or any statements that are given by the clients are accepted. And people with depression, anxiety, addiction, schizophrenia, panic disorders and other personality disorders are very much benefited from this therapy. And this therapy is also proved to be equally effective as the previous therapies that we discussed in our videos. So this was about the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.